equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may experience motor failure, which can manifest as reduced suction or unusual noises. This issue often arises from wear and tear or blockages. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs. To perform this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing. Once the casing is off, locate the motor, which is typically situated at the base of the unit. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, taking care to note their positions for reassembly. Gently remove the old motor, being cautious not to damage surrounding components. Install the new motor by reversing the removal process, ensuring all screws are tightened securely but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before sealing the casing, test the device to confirm it operates correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your device well maintained will extend its lifespan and performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.